everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. On today's enlightening episode, we'll talk about the significant role of zinc oxide in skincare and concoct a couple of DIY skincare recipes using it. So let's get started. Let's kick things off by talking about the wonderful benefits of zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is a mineral that offers comprehensive coverage against both UVA rays, which can cause premature aging, and UVB rays that can cause sunburn. We all know how much the sun contributes to premature aging, and that's why sun protection is especially crucial for mature skin. When you add zinc oxide in your products with oils and butters, it forms a barrier that helps keep moisture locked in. Zinc oxide is also necessary for the synthesis of collagen and improves the synthesis of new skin tissue, factors which contribute substantially to youthful-looking skin. It's widely used in creams, makeup, moisturizers, deodorant, sunscreen, or diaper rash cream. Zinc oxide acts as a protective barrier and has various other benefits such as sealing in moisture, being antibacterial, supporting wound healing, and acting as an anti-aging agent. It's beneficial in treating skin conditions like acne, rosacea, psoriasis, eczema, and of course, diaper rash. For zinc powder users, always ensure you're using non-nano zinc oxide to avoid any allergic reactions. Let's jump into our first recipe, the Sunny Day Moisturizer. This recipe hails from my book, Carrie's Herbal Infused Skincare Cookbook. The active ingredient here, as you guessed, is zinc oxide, which plays the role of a natural sunscreen. Remember, though, it needs to be reapplied often. This is also an excellent moisturizer for eczema. For my case and my son's, I substitute the almond oil with apricot and grapeseed or safflower oil. The ingredients you need are almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, zinc oxide, shea butter, raspberry seed oil, carrot seed oil, vitamin E, and essential oils of your choice. The preparation method is pretty straightforward. You need to melt the ingredients in a double boiler and add the essential oils at the end. Just pour it into your favorite container, and there you have it, the Sunny Day Moisturizer. Check for more details in our show notes. Next up, the whipped Zinc Oxide Cream. This versatile cream can be used as a moisturizer, a deodorant, or a diaper rash cream. The ingredients for this one are coconut oil, shea butter, non-nano zinc oxide, clay, and your chosen essential oils. Blending these ingredients in a large bowl until it's nicely mixed and creamy will give you the desired result. Simple, isn't it? As we wrap up today's episode, I want to remind you about the multifaceted role that zinc plays in skincare. Its importance in skincare products can't be overstated. If you liked the podcast, do hit the like button and subscribe for more skincare tips and recipes. For more information, you can find me on Substack, download my free self-care printables, or check out my book, Carrie's Herbal Infused Skincare Cookbook. I also have a course on creating a skincare routine with simple DIY recipes for your skin type that you can find in the show notes. This is Carrie Scharf from Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy saying goodbye until next time.